Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome back. This time I got a really short video. So, one of my favorite pajama pants actually got a hole and a pretty big rip. So I want to show you how I quick fix it. Here we go. So as you can see, I cut out the rip. I basically, look at that rip. Oh, so sad. By the way, I didn't realize these pants said Merry Christmas till like sometime last year, and I've had them for a little while, so oops. Anyway, so I have this spare fabric. I don't know if it looks familiar to you, but either way, I have this spare fabric I'm going to use to fix it with. So I cut a square, basically, and I just kind of eyeballed it, you know, roughly the same shape. I can always cut it back later. And you basically want to stick it in the hole, and then you're gonna have to finagle it a little bit, because you'll have to fold over that, you know, raw edge, and also basically pin it down to just that fabric that's inside. It can be done. It takes a little bit, but be patient, and it can be done. So here we go, and now you have to do the fun task of shoving it under your sewing machine. I used a zigzag stitch here, and I honestly am pretty happy with it. I think it looks really good. And obviously it'll work, you know, my pants are fixed, so yay! But you're just gonna kind of have to shove it into your sewing machine and finagle it around a little bit, but it can be done, and I used the zigzag stitch for that. So that is pretty much it. I just wanted to share my little fixing my pants, because I like those pants because they're nice and thin. And if you don't know me, I'm a fan of the cold actually, so nice thin pajama pants are great. Anyway, so I think that pretty much is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!